I know turn left, I go straight, and then I went right into a tree. My name's Chris. I've been in Colorado my whole life, and this is my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. I used to have a white one of these, and one time I was visiting one of my friends in Conifer, and it was just after a really snowy day, and when I had to turn left on the road that we were needed to go on, I know turn left, I go straight, and then I went right into a tree. So that car got totaled, and I started looking at other cars, looking at M4, I was looking at some Mustangs, but none of them really did it for me. So I was like, you know what, the white Type R really took an L for me, so might as well just pay tribute to it and get another one. This gem stood out in North Carolina. MSRP, no accessories, got off of work at like 12 at night, flew out there in North Carolina, was there at 4 in the morning, went to a dealership, signed some paperwork, gave me the keys, and off I went. They looked at me like I was a little crazy because they're like, so where are you gonna be staying in North Carolina? I'm like, I'm not, I'm gonna go home right now. They're like, oh shoot, well, don't crash this one. This car's really the one that's really got me engaged in the car community. You know, I started modifying it. It's making a healthy 405 horsepower. It's fun for what I do, and I enjoy it. I've gotten some good seat time at Pikes Peak International Raceway and High Plains Raceway. So it's like really what I wanted to do with the other one, but I never really did for whatever reason. I'm doing what I love in this car, and this car really inspired me to start doing everything that I wanted to do. So that's why this car means a lot to me. When I was a kid, my dad had a couple of cool cars. He had a 1989 300ZX and he had a Fox body Mustang. That's when it all started for me. I was like, wow, these cars are cool. I always used to watch racing on TV, you know, Formula One, even NASCAR. And that really got me interested into motorsports. And that's really what I wanted to do when I was a kid, but everyone knows motorsports is an expensive hobby. And I didn't really grow up much money. I was a pretty broke kid. But like when I was saying what this car means to me, this one got me engaged in motorsports. This car really, you know, brings out the inner child in me every day. Well, I use Autowash because it's convenient. Got the app on your phone, they've got a whole bunch of locations. No matter where I am, if I need a wash, I go to have a wash. And I like taking care of my car. You know, I hope to start a detail business one day. So, I mean, everybody that's a detailer knows how, like, that's your gripe, you know, automatic washes that just touch your car. I don't like that. You know, much detailers know that they won't like that. I like Autowash because it does its job, doesn't touch the car, no scratches. I love it. I love coming here. I'm Chris. This is my 2021 Honda Civic Type R, and I choose Autowash because I love my car.